Okay, ready? Okay. I get a flu shot every single year because it's important to have flu shots, especially this time of year. Holiday season is approaching, families are coming together, and if you don't get a flu shot, the possibility of you catching the flu, influenza, increases substantially. And you get sick, and there's already been a bump in the number of people that are ending up in the hospital because they got the flu.
This year, actually, we are strongly encouraging people to get their flu vaccine early. We already know we have many people who have become ill, and actually many hospitalizations were ahead of the usual curve, so to speak, as far as people in Central Ohio becoming ill from influenza. So now is the time, and now really through January, so again, now would be the time to get your flu vaccine. There are two different routes in which you can get your vaccine protection these days, your influenza vaccine. One is through an injection in the arm, and that is actually inactivated virus. So again, you cannot get flu, the influenza illness from the inactivated shot in the arm. The other route that you can use, and it's actually for healthy people, ages 2 to 49, is a very weakened viral preparation. So again, you could get a very mild infection. It is not the true influenza illness, but again, that is a very good preparation for people who are healthy, ages 2 to 49. And we strongly encourage children ages 2 to 8 to get that vaccine.
Protect your community, protect your health.